This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a Honda Civic, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs from that vehicle. First up, let's show you how to put the front wiper blade into the service position.
To put the wipers in the service position, you'll need to turn the car to the on position, so push the button twice, turn the vehicle off, and then hold up on the wiper stalk for about 3 to 5 seconds, and the blades will go up into the service position.
Next, we're going to show you how to change the center brake light bulb. This one's easy. Open the trunk and reach up underneath the housing. Here's your bulb assembly. Turn the assembly and pull it down. You can remove your center brake light bulb. Pull it straight out to remove. Finally, we'll show you how to change the engine air filter on this vehicle. Reach into the driver's side of the engine bay. Here's your air filter housing. Disengage 2 fasteners and lift the cover. You can remove your air filter now. We also recently showed you how to take off the front bumper for this car. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want more car repair videos and more in-depth car repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.